Hello everyone, my name is Kuldeep Singh Rathod and welcome in Gatewala platform. As you guys know, whenever any important updates, notification, informations are available, we'll try to provide you as soon as possible on Gatewala platform, so you guys are aware from each and every type of details related to your career. So guys, there is like BARC examinations, BARC scientist examinations is already scheduled, and lots of students are going to appear this year. So the BARC examinations admit card is out. So those students who are appearing, they can download their admit card by entering your email ID, password, and the CAPTCHA code in your BARC OCAS DGFS 26 portal. If you are facing the problem of password and also you can change the device, clear your cache and browse history, and then again try with the different devices. The possibility of then you are able to download. The admit card is available from 3 March 26 and up to the 15 March 26. You are able to download your admit card. So check your admit card, and most important instruction is once you are able to check your city, then try to plan everything like your travel plan, each and everything. So like you will be not face any type of problems. Rest BARC related practice series is already running on YouTube. You can check the Gatewala channels, branch wise channels, where you are able to find out the BARC practice series. Utilize it, try to prepare well, and once you are able to clear the CBT, we will also help you to prepare for interview, like how you can prepare and all. So we will also share cutoff and all detail with you. So rest you can join Kuldeep underscore PW Telegram channel, where you will get a admit card download link, and stay connected. If you are going to appear in the BARC, then best of luck to all of you. Thank you so much. Take care. Goodbye.